you still think that getting a prenup has anything to do with the lack of trust in your partner, maybe you're mistaken, but that's okay because I didn't know this until I went to law school. So now I'm just going to share what I learned with you. And I'm really surprised this is not widespread knowledge because it should be. Getting a prenup actually has everything to do with the lack of trust in your government. And here's why. We can actually compare a prenup to a will in the sense that you either draft your own will or the government will use the one that they already drafted. You feel me? In the same sense, it's not about whether you want a prenup or you don't want a prenup. It's a matter of which prenup do you want? The one that you drafted, that you agree with, that you think is fair, or in the instance of death or divorce, the one that the government already drafted. It's up to you. Now, if you think that your government will do an efficacious job at dividing your assets and making sure that your loved ones are provided for in the instance of death or divorce, then by all means, fuck a prenup. However, if you do experience some distrust in the way that the government does things and has done things through the course of your life, you should probably get a prenup.